third division, a field of 8 lined up. They're at the post in behind the gate, and here they come. And they're off Laguna Beach from mid-pack for the lead. Northern McCardle from the far outside looking for position. From in between horses, Real Image is away well, and Something's Gotta Give is up close from the rail as they pace on to the opening turn. Also getting away well, Golden Celebration is 5th and moving up toward the outside. Racing in 6th is Paradise as they pace toward the quarter. A length and a half further back is Big Rockstar of 7th, and at the back of the pack is Dinner at Arts Place, who trails the field. Laguna Beach shows the way. The opening quarter in 27 and 4. Real Image is right there in the tight pocket spot, racing in second, and Northern McCardle is about 2.5 lengths further back, much more controllable tonight, racing in third. Golden Celebration is on the left line, wanting to roll for Andy Miller from 4th. He's followed up by Something's Gotta Give, who's drafting along in 5th. 6th in behind him as they head down the backstretch is Paradise. Then it's Big Rockstar who shoots the gap at the rail, and Dinner at Arts Place is the trailer, and Golden Celebration takes a flyer first over, so picking up his cover is Something's Gotta Give, who's second up in the 5th spot as they reach the half in 56 and 4. Also joining the cover flow toward the outside is Paradise as they head around the far turn, and Real Image pops the pocket on Laguna Beach, so it's Laguna Beach on the inside who leads it. Real Image is right at his throat on the outside, and these two now stride for stride as they near the 3/4 marker. Golden Celebration is second over with a perfect striking spot, and Something's Gotta Give looks to flip out 3 deep at the top of the stretch. 3/4 and 125 and 1, and Real Image powers up on the outside and takes the lead. Laguna Beach is trying to hang in there on the inside second. Golden Celebration flattened a bit. Northern McCardle is in behind horses, and Something's Gotta Give on the outside. It's Real Image. Laguna Beach trying to fight back to him. Real Image full out, but leading it. They're heading down to the line. It's Real Image to win it. Laguna Beach was second, and Something's Gotta Give third, 152 and 2. Unofficial winner, number 3, Real Image. Second, number 5, Laguna Beach. Third, number 1, Something's Gotta Give. And fourth,